Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your activity history in Windows 10. If you're concerned about your privacy or just want to clean things up, this quick guide will help you remove your activity history. First, we need to open the settings. Press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy. Now on the left sidebar, under the Privacy section, you'll see an option that says Activity History. Click on it. Here, you can choose to manage your activity history. To clear your activity history, you'll see an option called Clear Activity History under this section. Simply click on it. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your activity history in Windows 10. It's a great way to protect your privacy and keep your computer clean. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.